Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. So I am going to unbox the one that I was supposed to unbox. Now, this one, I am receiving another one, which is coming tomorrow. But this is the one that I originally got from Lenovo. Thank you for sending it out. And let's get to this unboxing. So it's the second one right here. Y'all seen the other one. My other one is sitting right there, as you can see. So that's the one that I purchased. This is the one I didn't purchase, and I have another one that's coming in tomorrow that I did purchase because I am impatient. I didn't know if they was going to send this out, so I just wound up buying it. I wound up buying two, so I spent about almost, how much did I spend? Almost what, $2,700 on two Legion Goes. And the one that I'm getting tomorrow, it got to go back because I don't need three of them. All right, so this one I'm going to probably give this one to my son, and this one I'm going to keep. The one I'm getting from Best Buy is going to go back. So whoever needs that one, we actually have one inside the store. So at no further ado, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, okay, here we go. I had to get all that sticker stuff off of there to have my information and stuff on there. So, let's just do this. Why did I cut my fingernails? Okay. I like the way you left the imprint on there. That's tight. There we go. So let's try not to hit the camera. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. I was gonna hit the camera. Okay. I might have to move the thing from the bottom because it's hitting the bottom part of my camera. Move that back a little bit. Okay, there we go. There we go. So let's get this out. Why this one feels more heavier than compared to the one that I originally unboxed. You already know what this is. This is the power brick, which I never really use these. Come on, fingers. Come on. There we go. Cord right here. Put this aside. So the one I get tomorrow, I am going to return that one back and get my money back for that one because I don't need three of them. What am I going to do with three? Bad enough, I don't even need the other one, the one that I have right there. The simple fact is that I'm not going to be doing testing and stuff with it. I was going to do a testing with it, but my son needs a computer and I'd rather give that to him. Okay, there we go. So here we go, number two, and if y'all think I am lying about it, here it is right here, number two. So this one right here is the Z2. I'm sorry, this one is the Z2, 16 gigabyte. This one right here is the Z2 Extreme, 32 gigabyte on this one. That's that one right there. Okay, just so you guys know, just show you guys really quick. If I can pick this up without stuff moving. So as you can see right here, this is the Z2 right there. And this one is the Z2 Extreme. So let's get this out the packaging. Move this over. Okay. Ah, man. It's like Christmas all over again. All the stuff. The part right there. There we go. I'm just gonna leave this right here. Take this out. Look at that. Look at that. So while I'm not more excited for the bigger and better one, it's not big and better, it's just different internals. While I'm not so excited for this version, the 32, the Z2 Extreme one, is because I was more interested in that one, because the simple fact is that, let's undock this real quick. The reason for that is because, I don't know, for some reason this one just looked thicker. The hell? Hold up. Hold on a second. Why does it look like that? I'm noticing that the Z2 Extreme is actually thicker than this Z2. Wow. Or am I tripping? No. No. This, I got it side by side, and it's, yeah, this is thicker. There's a big difference on here. Yeah, it is. Yo, I'm looking at this and I'm lining it up. It's thicker.
That's what she said.
Let me see something. Let's just pause that real quick. Lining up screen to screen. Yeah, this is the Z2 Extreme is thicker, and I'm noticing it's more heavier. Yeah, this is light. This is light. This is heavier. I wish I had a scale. This is heavy. Let me see. This is light. And this is heavier, for real. I'm gonna have to throw some juice up in here. Here's my cords. I always keep an extra cord available. Okay. First power up on this one. But this one, I got this one set up to the point that I got the full screen experience on here. I'm gonna show you in a second. It's not powered off, it's just I had it in sleep mode. So when I press the button, it automatically goes to sleep. Which I can turn that off, that's not a problem. There we go. Why did that pop up? Okay. So here's some of the games I got installed on here. So I got this basically. That's right, I forgot. I removed the settings on it because I resetted the joysticks. So yeah. Alright guys, that's the video right there. Like this. Okay, there we go. Get this out of the way. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I am going to do a comparison. I'm going to do a recording with this one first. I'm not going to do it side by side and do it side by side recordings and stuff like that. I'm going to get ready to get this to my son. I'm going to bring this over to him. I'm going to do a fast recording with gameplays with this one, then with this one. Okay, shut up. Shut up. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna get this set up. I'm gonna wipe all my stuff that I have on here. I'm just gonna show 2 games, whatever like that, compared to what's here. But I have a video that's coming up very quick, talking about this really fast, and I'm gonna show it on the screen. All right, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.